Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. Today's video is going to be about how to log into ZRA Zambia portal step by step. For that, the first thing that you'll have to do is open up Google Chrome or a browser of your choice, and then in the search bar simply type in ZRA Zambia login. That is ZRA Zambia login, and then hit go or enter on your keyboard. Tap on the first link saying ZRA Tax Online under Zambia Revenue Authority. Here you'll have to enter the TPIN along with your password and then hit sign in. If you have not registered for your taxpayer portal, then simply hit register. Here you'll have to enter the captcha, hit proceed. You'll have to enter the captcha and then hit proceed. After which you'll be redirected to enter your details like your full name, your contact number, and the rest of your details. Fill in these details and then create your account. After you've created your account, you can simply sign into your account and access the ZRA portal. For any further questions, please feel free to leave a comment down below.